Brett Schoeneman with Schoeneman Realtors, and we're at 615 South Monroe in Mason City, Iowa. This 91,000 square foot retail has been transformed into a state-of-the-art light industrial facility, perfect for research and development, manufacturing, or your next venture. This Mason City property features an 18,000 square foot mezzanine with premium offices overlooking a 91,000 square foot production floor. A rare find for light industrial needs. Space to grow your business. This Mason City property offers additional land for new loading docks, outdoor storage, or additions. We have an excellent team with our North Iowa Corridor Economic Development and a very progressive City Council. We can leverage state funds to assist your business in this facility. Show us your business and our team can get you here. I'm Brett Schoeneman and I'm here to help you unlock the potential of this exceptional property. Let's make your vision a reality.